What's up, everybody? It was a kind of a late way to start an intro, but welcome back to the channel. For this video, I decided just to record what I'm doing, do no talking, kind of like an ASMR type deal of building my brother's short block for the new motor, in fact. Yeah, as you guys saw right now, doing the whole video, if you guys watched, the whole video of me installing and stuff, basically everything is brand new besides stuff that doesn't need to be replaced. For example, like the rear main seal, like the cover, like obviously just replace the gaskets. The baffle, I just super cleaned it like as much as I could. Oil pumps brand new, water pumps brand new, tensioners brand new. All the stuff that's replaceable is brand new. Because I don't know if you guys remember a couple videos back, or if you guys already know, his motor does have a rod knock. Ever since he got a rod knock, we didn't even bother driving it or doing anything with it, because maybe it's savable, but we just don't want to deal with that stuff right now. Once we heard knocking, we're like, you know what, he wasn't gonna throw just a regular another LS in it and keep driving it. But as you guys can tell from when we bagged his Integra and everything else, he decided go big or go home. Well, the car is at home right now. Anyways, besides the point though, so yeah, I installed everything brand new on his long block, as you guys can tell. The only thing I haven't put on yet is the oil pan, which I have there. And for that is because it's still pretty dirty, and as much as I clean it with the blue rags, I don't want to put fresh oil in it. Everything get loose down there, and first crank up, we have hella freaking, bunch of gunk in the motor, and yeah, that's not a good sign. So I'm gonna just take it home, put the purple power in it, let everything sit. And from there, I'll wash it out, get a really good clean. That way I know I'm confident. So when we do put oil in it, it's nothing but clean oil. Same thing with the oil pickup. You guys saw how dirty it was. I had freaking like sealing. I don't know what I had inside of it, but I tried cleaning as best as I could. I mean, the screen will pick up anything, but you don't want to start off with anything in it being dirty, because that's the last thing you want. Just zero dirt or any grime, metal, whatever it is in a fresh motor. There's a couple things I am still missing, such as like I didn't tighten the sandwich plate for the VTEC, the sandwich plate, because this is just regular B18B, but he is gonna be going LSV tech. The head is currently at the machine shop. It did get resurfaced already, but we got new valves, springs, retainers, freaking the whole thing. The only thing he hasn't got yet are new cams, but he got flat top valves, super tech valve springs, titanium retainers, the whole thing. We're all gonna put ARP studs, Cometic head gasket, and you can't see right here now that it's flipped upside down. I just don't want to flip it the other way because I'm pretty lazy. But it does have brand new bearings in it. All the main and rod bearings are all King's Racing's bearings. The rod bearings, because I checked all the clearances already and everything's good. It's for 15s, 10,000s all across. I did have to get 1,000s extra clearance bearings for the rods, because they were like at 1,000s, so I was like, no can do. Yeah, it does have fresh new bearings, thrust bearings, everything. I measured in play, I measured the main bearings, the freaking rod bearings, motor spins good, flawlessly. It has Nippon Racing. I don't know if you guys can see it, if I show it here. Kind of hard to tell. Like I said, I don't want to flip it over, I'm too lazy for that. But it does have Nippon Racing B16 pistons in it that we took the machine shop and got pressed in. Nippon Racing piston rings, and all the gaskets and all that, they came with I think they're Nippon Racing kit, or they're pretty damn near close to OEM Honda, because they feel, they're not cheapy like Felpro. No offense, but like y'all, like a one-time use. Honda, 32 years old, and that's still the reason some of them fucking gaskets, bro. So yeah, but for the most part, everything's brand new. The only thing I haven't been able to put on, I'm missing some hardware for this right here for the water neck, but even you guys saw the O-rings and the freaking I think it's like the water tube or inlet tube, whatever you call it. Put new O-rings in that, water pump, like everything. This motor should have 0 leaks. If it has a leak, my ass fucked up. But we should be good. I may have a little bit overboard with some RTV silicone, but I didn't go too crazy. I just did like a thin layer. I wish I had a Honda Bond. Someone's going to be in the comments saying put way too much. Hey, bro, if it don't leak, it'll be alright. I just make sure it wasn't going to go in parts where they didn't need to go, feel me? But yeah, for the most part, the motor is 70% complete. Like I said, you need to put the oil pan and just small miscellaneous things. I'm gonna make a list just to make sure I'm not forgetting nothing, but as of right now, I mean, this is as complete as the motors have been for a while. But yeah, she looks pretty. We got lucky too with the oil pump. Freaking one of my homies came through with it, and yeah, so we got a first new oil pump too, ACL. Hell yeah, buddy. Oh, this thing looks so good, man. So good. Imagine just having like a dirty ass oil pan or something. You'll see the stain instantly. Like, from how clean this should be, you shouldn't even notice there's oil in here from how clear it should look. Feel me? So yeah, I mean, it's not my first time building a motor, but you know, always got to be super extra cautious because it's fun building them, but it's better when you're driving the cars. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, it's getting dark out. I mean, I tried doing this as fast as I could with the time I have on my hands free. I might come back tomorrow, see if I can find the rest of the stuff I need so I can come back and finish it off. Probably won't record that. Probably just pick up the camera again once it's fully complete with a cylinder head and all, once I get it back from the machine shop. But yeah, with that being said though, I'm gonna go home because I am building this thing in my freaky storage unit. Hey, if it gets done, it gets done, feel me? But yeah, I don't know how long this video is, but hope you guys enjoyed somewhat of an ASMR. Yeah, Brothers Tag is coming out pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and catch you guys next time. Peace out.